E be like say Prince Will and him wife dem no sleep oo. Una don see their post since yesterday. Small rest when I say make I rest because I quick sleep yesterday na now I dey wake up now I dey see gbas everywhere for social media. Prince Will dey talk say dem wan use one 17 years old girl take set am up so dat dem fit come online accuse am of sleeping and getting an underage pregnant. The other side wey dem first reach out to Prince Will wife dem koboko and the rest talk say na lie, say na Prince Will na im organize the thing just to make dem look like bad people. Meanwhile Prince Will don talk say concerning those ones say make dem ready, make dem prep their lawyer say dem go put one leg for one trouser for court. Anyways, as we dey wait for dat one oo, no be small thing oo. Prince Will be first talk before say he no go talk about the mother of his children because if he dey try talk about her, say the thing go come affect the children. But no be small thing, before you know, as coconut head man wey him be, him come later come back talk say as e be say the woman no gree keep quiet, say him go open her nyash. Say right now he don ready for the gbas. Since the woman no wan keep quiet, he ready to wash their dirty linen for public. Oya make dem two come dey disgrace each other, make dem use am take make money. And the reason why he come take the decision to talk about the wife na because say the video wey he make dey explain koboko matter, how dem take organize with one 17 years old girl to set am up. The wife come drop comment under the post for Instagram. She drop comment talk say the domestic gbas issue wey happen between him and Prince Will, she and Prince Will wey make she carry Prince Will go domestic gbas whatever center for Lagos. Say dem be first beg am dat time say make she let the matter go. Say but right now since Prince Will no wan shut up, say she wan reopen the case. Say this time around say e go take her to strip Prince Will of his wickedness. You go dey see their post for my screen, I screenshot am dey put. I no go fit dey read am for una because if I say make I read am, this video go too long. E say if e go take her wey be Prince Will wife to strip Prince Will of wickedness and e wayward lifestyle, so that he no go get any other choice but to run back to God, say she go do am. I come dey wonder say wetin concern God, concern the mumulity wey una two choose to display for this media. Wetin concern God for inside this matter so? If you want to strip somebody of their pride and you want them to run back to God, na social media you take table the matter. Meanwhile na inside all this matter na, Prince Will don make a lot of things dey known concerning the mother of his children. According to Prince Will, he don accuse the woman say he go tell the whole world how her papa, which is his ex-father-in-law, take carry his name and one of his son-in-law name go babalawo, say because they put one of them for inside bottle. And the reason why he come talk that one na because the wife don accuse im own mama for witchcraft. The video wey she make, she talk say Prince Will mama, say Prince Will tell am say mama na witch. So Prince Will now don vex say because you talk say my mama na witch, me sef I go tell the whole world say despite the fact say your papa, una talk say na Christian una be, na native doctor house na una dey sleep morning afternoon night. For inside there, so we never talk that one finish. Prince Will come tell us say whether we know say this woman wey dey form scent dey claim say na only him be the bad person, na him be cheat, na him be this, na him be that. Say this woman dey send money dey give her ex-boyfriend even when the two dey married. I say sure. For inside this life wey we dey so. More na ready throughout today na Prince Will and him wife na be our discussion. Una know say I tell them say make una zip una mouth. Because all of us wey you see say we dey talk for the media, so none of us wey no get problem. None of us wey no get problem. None of us wey never face relationship problem, marital problem. But we no craze reach to carry am come this media. You know why? We no wan make people come use us to take they analyze us and they use us make money. That's why I dey always dey tell people say if you no wan make bloggers like us analyze you, use you make money, your marital gbas keep am for inside your heart because all of us get am. As I dey like this so, I fit dey get relationship problem, but I no come social media come tell you. You get my point too? But as far as una choose to bring una own come social media, wetin we go use am do now? Na to analyze and use am take chop. Even though na $20 we see for inside, na still money, abi? So more na ready all through today. Prince Sweet tok say around 12 im go drop a comprehensive and more detailed videos with evidence to explain inside of the story. Say for 2 days im go use am explain because the woman don too lie against him. Inside there so, Prince Sweet tell us say the woman dey send money dey give her ex-boyfriend. Say dat money wen dat particular day wen e send money give her ex-boyfriend so, say she get belle. Him even ask her say abeg I no get money to give you for an ten atal, abi you fit borrow me small money? Say the wife tell am say e no get one naira. Only for him to comot for house finish, him come later discover say e wife go dey send money dey give her ex-boyfriend. The wife na come see the post na, the wife sef come reply. I dey put the screenshot of my screen. The wife sef come talk say na lie na Prince Sweet talk, say no be so e take happen. Say of a true her ex-boyfriend reach out to her, say e no even expect, e don marry because dem no dey together. Na the ex-boyfriend take reach out to her that morning talk say abeg say im wife to be get issues, whether say e dey sick, make im help am. Say e no even get money, say na only 5k she get for account. So she come call her one of her cousin or so to borrow her 15k add, den come send the guy 20k. Say Prince Sweet come later discover na Prince Sweet come dey quarrel. Say but of a truth pipu come dey blame am say why you wey be married woman go dey send money give your ex-boyfriend? If at all say you wan help am, you go first tell your husband. Say na so the thing take happen. Say Prince Sweet only dey talk am na to make am look bad. Inside there now we never finish that one o. Prince Sweet come still make another allegation for inside there now. Prince Sweet talk say dis im wife so, say whether we know say as she dey form scent so, say she go dey bench one of her girlfriend boyfriend as say to dis story na very sweet one o, e long o. Now I come dey wonder say how dat kind thing take happen. Na the woman sef come see the post, na the woman come go, na the woman come post talk say na lie. Say Prince Sweet just dey talk all dis one to make her look like the bad person. Say wetin happen be say that issue so e happen before she even marry Prince Sweet. Say the time wey Prince Sweet take dey toast am, na she take open her own mouth take tell Prince Sweet. You know say we wey be women once prick don dey sweet us, nothing wey we no dey talk. That's why I dey always advise my gender say anything wey you do before you meet your present partner, dem no get any business with am. No tell dem. If you like make e be say you don do abortion well well o, you sleep with 100 men o, anything wey you do, no tell the man. You know why? Men no dey forget things o. You fit do something now, man go tell you say e don forgive you. Oga, e no forgive you o. The day wey una go quarrel, e go use am against you. Trust me, na so men be. I get brothers, I get papa, and me sef I don deal with men. So in order for them not to use it against you, don't bother telling them. There are some things you should not share with your partner, especially when it is not futuristic past. Futuristic past na something wey be say you know say e happen for your past and e go affect your present or your future. Maybe as a woman you get problem with fertility, someone now person wan marry you but you know say you get PCOS or fibroid or anything wey you know say later in the future the man go discover. If he cause quarrel, you go tell am. If he ready marry you, he go marry you. Those are futuristic past. Or as a man you get low sperm count, or you know say your prick you get weak erection, all those kind stuff, and you know say this thing your wife go discover, e go affect her, you go follow and discuss am. Those are the only things you should discuss with your partner. Apart from that, nothing else. But this woman na be like say na prick come dey sweet am. Now she come go carry tell Prince Sweet say e get one time when I come date my girlfriend boyfriend blah 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 blah, and these two people na dem don marry. Now the woman come dey tell us now say all these things na say e even happen before dem marry. Say na she carry use her own man to take tell Prince Sweet. Now Prince Sweet na wan come talk am to make am look like the bad person. Akpoyi, this matter no be small one o. So Areja, Prince Sweet just say by 12 p.m. a few hours from now, say he go make video to take explain, because him be talk say he go keep quiet before, but the woman don dey talk too many things. They call him mama winch. They talk say he come from broken home. Of a true, Prince Sweet come from broken home. Hey, this one happen, that one happen. So Prince Sweet even talk say even the sister when they talk to her, when she dey claim say na the sister dey threa ten her, so say she's just 18 years old. Na small pikin. You get my point? So na the thing be that one o. Prince Sweet say he agree, say he slap am. Wait, make am carry am go wetin dem dey call am court, but he no beat am. He say he slap am. He say that cousin when he with am dey do body so, say na the cousin fair attack am because the cousin come im house come dey insult am. Prince Sweet now come talk say as e stands like this so, despite the fact say she with am no dey again, Say school fees for the children na im dey pay, and you say you get evidence right from time wey you take born the children na im dey pay their school fees, which is normal. You be their papa. He say the woman no dey contribute 1 naira. He still talk say the only reason this woman dey vex na because say the woman don try get am back. The woman don beg am say make dem come back. You get, you use pastor and everything. Say he no dey do again. And una know say the video wey the woman do, the woman truly talk say she even try her best to make the marriage work. Say she even reach out to their pastor. That pastor dey try talk to Prince Will. Prince Will no wan hear. Prince Will now dey tell us say na out of anger, say he no gree come back to the marriage. Na im make the woman dey do all these ones. And plus the car wey him collect. Say as the two break up, na him dey pay house rent for the woman. Na him dey pay the children. He say up till now, the house wey she dey stay, so na him dey pay the house rent. Dem two no dey together, but na him dey pay the house rent. Why? Because of their children. Because the children dey small, dem dey with the woman. So they need accommodation now. So na him dey pay. Him dey send them allowance. Him dey pay their children school fees. Even dustbin money na him dey pay. Everything na him dey pay. Say wetin the woman talk say make him do wey be say he never do. My people, this story na very very serious one. All the very serious. But question wey me wan ask now be say, madam, na you I go ask. You wey be Prince Will wife, because this gbas so na you start am for this social media. I wan ask you this one question. All these things wey dey happen so, to what end? Wetin you aim to achieve? Say you and your husband dey come social media, dey come disgrace una sef. Plus 2 children dey involve oh. You dey forget now say at the end of the day, after una quarrel finish, na una children go suffer am. When dem go begin dey bully una children for school now, the children go come dey tell you wey be their mama say, mommy see they said this to me. But you don forget say na because you and your husband dey drag una sef for the media. You see all these people wey dey ginger you for comment section now, madam, say speak up, don't allow anybody silence you. Most of them wey dem be men, dem no dey tell you say speak up, talk, open your mouth talk because dem love you. The only thing be say dem dey vex for Prince Will based on very dark man issue. Na make dem dey ginger you. Because if you wan check am, their own life roti pass Prince Will. Those men, those women wey dey your comment section, so dey ginger you, madam, dem no dey love you. They no dey think about you, because if they love you, they go advise you to stop. Because if say you stop now, when I say made that my first video 2 days ago, tell you say, madam, you don't do. You say you keep quiet. Your ex-husband now for no comment now, because they talk all these things when they talk so. And plus the one wey go still later talk. But you allow people for comment, they ginger you. Many men wey dey tell you say speak up, their life roti pass Prince Will. Many of those men for your comment where they ginger you so, they don't, most of them get 3 to 5, 10 girlfriends for outside. Now who you come out for social media, now we dey discuss. And na because una two choose to come the air una dirty secret for public. Take note, madam, I'm telling you today. These men and these women gingering you, telling you to continue, they don't love you nor your children. As e be say I care about you, so now make I tell you say, e don't do, put your children into consideration. You don't want hear. They are telling you, speak up, don't let anybody silence you. Don't worry, we there for you. They're not there for you. Nobody on the internet is your friend, oh madam. Oh. Nobody on this internet is your friend. Oh, I love this person so much. I love the way you talk. I love the way. That is it. That's all. Now there it end, oh madam. Oh. When you know say people no love you now, when people say you don't do what they do finish for social media, when real life come, may we see how many people will come true for you. There is no real love on the internet, madam. Those men wey they talk, so now because Prince Will talk about VDM, made them the verse for Prince Will. Not be because then are sent. Some of them even they do worse than Prince Will now. At least Prince Will now feel come and tell us say yes, of a true, in a cheat, in a very promiscuous somebody. But most of them not they agree. Most of them, their wife, they live in depression. Most of them say where they tell you for comment section. So some of them are deadbeat and irresponsible father. They know they take care of their children. Some of them don't give different women belle. Till today, they don't know how those women they take care of those children. Those are the kind of people telling you, go on, go on, go on. Why? Because they don't like Prince Will. Not because they care. No one they tell you this thing, so I give you 2 months, madam. You will remember this thing where this blogger they tell you so. I give you 2 months when this matter, because this matter not go past 2 weeks. We go talk now before 1 week and 2 weeks, and we don't forget Prince Will and his wife. But now you go bear the brunt of all this whole thing later. Because now you children deal with. Because now you need their papa support. You get me so? Now you now need their papa support. Without these things now, the man fit decide say, the 200K when be they give you before where they thought say nourish, he not go give you again at all at all. You go drag and go court, him go tell court say no worry I go pay. How many men wey dey drag go court dey really dey do wetin court say make dem do? Court go still give am time. So far he agree say he go pay. Madam advise you, you no gree oo. The matter now don kwata ya. Prince Philip don talk say okay, he go open mouth. Make we dey wash our dirty pants and boxers for everywhere. The question wey I wan still ask you before I go be say, what do you aim to achieve with all of this? What do you aim to achieve? Now you don talk say, oh, the case wey be say for domestic gbas unit or so you first talk say make dem close am because you no wan make your children father go jail. You wan reopen am. No wahala, reopen am. But if the man come go jail, the house rent na who wan pay am for you? Na your family. Madam, dem go pay house rent for you for 3 months. Dem go tire. Dem go yab you. That time your family member go open mouth tell you say, no be me say make you comot for husband house o, na your bad character make your husband leave you. If dem no tell you, tell say no be Naomi tell you these things. That same family, no, that same people wey dey ginger you, they go abandon you. Then you go use your head when you don carry the man now, they don lock am up. No be only 4 years. And domestic gbas, okay, 3 years, 4 years, e don finish, e don come out. E life go continue. But all the expenses wey the man be dey do before, na only you go dey do am. Na only you go pay rent, na only you go feed the children, na only you go pay their school fees, na only you go do everything. And inside there, so your children fit still come grow up, come still come resent you. Based on say na you carry the matter come social media, come still come send their papa go jail. You gats think of all these things. No let commenters deceive you. They tell you say, hey, madam, speak up. They no like you. I don tell you o. And as for you, Prince Will, I've don first beg you before. If you fit, may you let this matter go. But it is obvious say you no fit again. You yourself, your mouth, na here, you wipe from here reach here. You say you want to talk now. Shey all of us na blogger, na money we dey find. Talk. More na dey open una nyash. The people wey una dey judge give, who dey better pass una. The people wey una dey judge give, dem better pass una. Una too no wan use una sense because una be goats. At this point, I'm forced to call you people goats. Dey disgrace una sef. Because you talk this one, you no fit be man. You no fit just say make you be man. No matter wetin the woman talk, make you no senior Bobby Marley, Such Ogbodo ex-husband. You no senior am. You don't see the way that boy behave. Thought okay, man, just let this thing. Upon not say Uche Ogbodo and the sister come outside, come they drag the guy, they call am lazy man, blah blah blah. He still keep quiet. Not because he no get things to talk. You no fit just emulate that person. Must you behave anyhow? And as I be shy day here at the end of the day, I can analyze 50 videos in a day. Since una choose to disgrace una self, more una shall know say last now una children go suffer am.